How to create a Pareto bar chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for Pareto bar chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Pareto bar chart is successfully created. Add more rows and data. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Data from rows 7 to 10 is grouped and represented by rest. This setting is configurable. Now we will add second numerical data column. This is an optional feature. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Chart is created with one more numerical data column. Pareto bar chart data requirements. You need between 0 to 1 column of categorical data to create a Pareto bar chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 1 to 2 columns of numerical data to create a Pareto bar chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: Pareto bar chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Bar Properties pen to group 7 to 10 rows and represent by rest. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Chart Header pen to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Axis Top Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label text section to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.